Alright, now for the talking part, where I'm actually going to show you underneath the car. Alright, so what we have here is the Oxedo H11 LED bulb. Now the other night I put the white LEDs in because I thought they'd look cool. And yes, they do look cool, but in terms of performing as a fog light, white is not really what you want. So after getting bullied by my mates and having a long hard think about road safety, I thought I'd better get some yellow ones. So this is what we're dealing with. Let's see if we can get the camera going. So you'll see the fog light bulb there. I'm just gonna unzoom. Ugh. Cool, so that's the plug. We're basically just gonna unplug it and we're gonna turn it, pull it out. Alright, so we unplug like that. Then we grab the bulb and we twist anti-clockwise. And just like that. This is very simple. Does this video need to exist? Not really, but like my previous HID video, like myself, I've never had a HID car before. So I didn't actually know how to approach installation of a HID. Some people who've never changed a bulb in their life before might find this handy. So if that's you, yeah, I hope you find this handy. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna take the, oh fuck. We're gonna get our hand back up in there. And we might grab this light to make it a bit easier. And we're gonna slot it straight back. Sorry, this is gonna be really poor camera work. There we go, it's in, and then we turn it clockwise. That cable's in the way. But yeah, now you can see cable, and cable just goes straight back on it. Just can't get it, I'm gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna use both hands. That was easy. So yeah, my recommendation, don't hold your phone while doing it. There we go. Just like that. Lower the car. And we'll turn the lights on. Cool. That's easy. Hope this helps. There we go.